Hey folks, it's Mr. Dave here up in Poway on that job we shotcreted last week, and so we're going to show you what we got going on, the next procedure, the next step. It's coming out pretty good. We got the jumping rocks over here on the left. They need a little bit of work, but they're not doing too bad. Here we got our guys getting rid of the junk. Yes?
Yep.
Yeah, lots of crap. Yay, it's so much fun. Putting them in buckets and hauling them to the dump. And there's a front view of our little enterprise we got going on in here. And the slides way up there on the hill. It's going to be a screamer coming on down. We got the two little satellites there on the side of the pool. And I'm going to walk down in here and show you what I'm doing down in the grotto. So you can kind of see it. Isn't that funny? One of the concrete contractors decided to put a petroglyph in there, or whatever you want to call it. But anyway, so this is the inside of our cave grotto. Water's going to come down here and drop. So the flagstone is still there. That's what was already on the pool. Kind of start to see a little bit about what's going on. These tubes right here are for lighting. We're going to have some lights in the inside of the grotto. You know, uplighting makes it look more natural. Got a little skylight. Got to have a skylight or whatever. And there's these little wires. These are holding in the pegboard that was on the top. We had those little pieces of cement, we call them dobies, and so I got to cut all those off right now. And I just use a grinder. I'll show you what it looks like. Kind of exciting. There you go. So I just keep cutting all those little pins, those little pieces that are sticking out. Here's a burlap that was in little spots, little patches where the pegboard had an opening. So we pull all that stuff off. And after we get all these little guys, these little pieces of wire that are popping out, all those out of here. Then I'm going to get some cement. We're going to start to fill in the gaps a little bit more, try and get the symmetry out of the space shape a little bit. All these little dimples or little bumps sticking out, we're gonna pop those off with a trowel or something, and then add cement in little places like this by hand, and that'll give us the kind of surface that we can put the big pumper on and blow all the cement on. So anyway, that's the grotto, and that's the inside, and that's the next step. And so, moving it along. Anyway, hope you guys are having a great time wherever you're at. Hope you're creating something cool. So have a great one and look for what's good, because there's good somewhere. Have a great one. God bless. Bye.